Looking for a low-cost solution for replacing 150-watt to 400-watt HID area lighting fixtures? Look no further than the all-new ESX LED area luminaire from Lithonia Lighting. The ESX is a revolutionary product that saves up to 76% in energy costs, provides superior illumination, and is backed by the most trusted brand in lighting. Designed with the energy retrofit contractor in mind, ESX has all the features required for a successful renovation, including mountings, light distributions, color temperatures, and voltages. The ESX also features a bi-level switch that allows each luminaire to have 2 light levels, allowing you to adjust the light levels to meet the needs of the application. But it takes more than lumens to get the job done right. And this is where the Lithonia ESX shines. Using advanced refractive optics, the ESX makes the most of those lumens, efficiently getting the light to the target area, providing illumination that's better than the HID lighting it is replacing, and far better lighting than the no-name brand fixtures that typically waste light beneath and behind the pole, while leaving dangerous under-illuminated areas between the poles. Nobody likes to wait, and with all configurations of the ESX in stock at Acuity's regional distribution centers, you won't have to. Knowing that the product is ready when you are makes it easy to schedule projects while maximizing the productivity of your workforce. With the ESX, you can now get the price, performance, and delivery that you need from a brand that you can trust. Known for providing the best value in lighting, Lithonia Lighting will ensure that your projects remain on time and on budget, while delivering the energy saving and illumination that your customers demand.